Try to get steady. There's a barred owl. Eezo Pete, I can't keep it steady. There he is. Oh yeah, he's got a bird. See him spitting all the feathers out? They usually eat whatever they eat whole. That's cool. Missy. Oh, there he goes, swallowing it down. See how they do that?
Yep.
Huh. I wonder where he caught the bird at. Well, he's trying to swallow it anyway.
What's wrong, Sid?
That's what she's been doing all day.
What?
That's what she's been doing all day. I think he's pulling the legs off or the feathers off or something so he can get it down. Huh, that's pretty cool.
Is that good stuff, maybe?
I'll give it another shot to swallow it whole.
No?
When it's trying to swallow, you can see her like the legs flopping around. He's trying. Can't get it down. Missy, stop. It's okay. Something you don't see every day in the backyard.
Mm-mm.
Losing our lights. That's what Bo thinks of it.
Oh, yeah? Oh, no, you got still some in there.
All right,